Just minutes from Fredericton, Hanwell offers the best of both worlds, peaceful living and city amenities close at hand.
Let's take a look at why so many people choose to call Hanwell home.
The Hanwell Recreation Park is a local favorite,
featuring walking trails and a playground.
Hanwell is one of the area's most sought-after rural neighborhoods, with the large section built by Starlight Construction. The Starlight subdivision is famous for its celestial-themed street names and has been growing since the 1970s.
Residents here can enjoy exclusive access to Lake Herkert,
a peaceful spot for swimming, canoeing, and ice skating in the winter.
Today, new development continues in Cobblestone Estates, Eaglewood, and Eagle Ridge subdivisions, offering luxurious homes with well-manicured yards.
And for families, the newly built Hanwell Park Academy, a K-8 school, has become a major draw for homebuyers.
Whether you're looking for an executive home or a charming country retreat,
Hanwell has something for everyone.